Your mom's hair looks great.
Well, thank you.
Is her hair more gray than mine?
Oh, her hair's white.
My dad's coming next week for, he's bringing his race car and he's racing his car at the F1 track.
Oh, wow.
Next weekend. What are you gonna do?
You're gonna make your hair so magical.
I don't know.
Oh, well, that's it.
Well, I have superpowers, that's all I want to know.
That's
awesome.
Have you seen X-Men? It's going to be smart.
Sweet.
That's all I've ever wanted, so. Alright, I'm gonna mix out some color.
Okay.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard.
So you think it's the conditioner with the Olaplex? It's different with different conditioner?
So, yes, in my opinion, it is different with different conditioner. That doesn't mean anything. It's just been my experience that it does not get as soft when I use something different. So, I don't know. I could be crazy. I do admit that.
What to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. You find it distracting, hold of our issues, rather die with you. We no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried. If we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Tell everybody I do. I do. Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare.
This one has nothing to do with smoothing your hair though. It just pushes the water out faster. So it
Okay.
makes it dry faster. You're like, don't lie to me, I'll know. I'll look it up and see if you were smoothing my hair with that spray.
Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel like I'm made of colors. Just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, let loose, let loose. Just keep on loving all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do. 'Cause I do. Tell everybody I do. I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let.
Oh, I have lots of my dog hair and my client's hair and my own hair on me. The holy trinity of fur and hair.
Who killed this person? Was
Yeah,
it the
we
dog
always-
or one of these 17 people's hairs that are
We
here?
always joke about that. We're like, if any of us get murdered, they're never gonna find. We have so much DNA on us. It was one of my dogs.
It's one of my dogs.
It's always my dog.
He's always killing people.
Murphy could.
I believe that.
He's 20 pounds. 20 pounds of fury. Ruby is harmless, but she could knock someone over. Okay, gotta remove it. It's neat. It's disconnecting again.
I still love it.
I'm gonna see if this works. Well, let's try this.
I love it even more.
Coconuts. I smell it.
I was like, I don't have any coconuts.
Sunscreen.
It does kind of have that.
Do you know what that is?
What?
Down and out?
Yes. It does.
Yes!
Yeah. I haven't used that in a while. The
Alright.
Yay!
IGK.
Yes, dirty spray.
Dirty spray.
Whenever I tell people that.
I'm using this one. Okay, so we're doing this one instead. So you can just hit next.
I guess it's a user error.
Oh, thanks. It probably did stuff. Did it work?
I was like, hair. And I was like, okay, thanks.
No, it's not.
It's disconnecting.
Yes. But only for Katie, because it hates her.
Guys, I'm glad you finally accepted it.
All right, my dear.
Yay.
You're a deer now. An antelope. You're like, it's what I've always wanted to be. An anteloping deer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, just to keep it good for the wedding.
So I put a little bit of dirty spray on there, so that's kind of what you're feeling, that dirtiness that you feel on there.
Uh-huh.
It'll just kind of help to keep everything held down
Okay.
and in place.
So would you be cool
But yeah.
on 19?
Yay.
You like it?
I need to go out to dinner tonight. Audrey just went to have a friend.
Take me to dinner.
I think it's time to go out.
Well, you're all set.
I am.
Thank you so very much for letting me do your hair.
Well, thank you so much for doing it.